Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Kik website. So now, all you need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Opera or any web browser. After that, you will need to search for Kik.com. So we search for it, Kik.com, and now it will access us or to give us the access to the website. Now all you need to do is either to log in with your account, and if you do not have already an existent account, you will need just to click on sign up. So basically you can just sign up with your email and add other informations, your personal informations, and then you will click on sign up, or you can just simply sign up with your Google or Apple accounts. In my case, I'm just going to sign up with your Google account, and I'm going to choose the account with whom I would sign up. I will add just a username, and I'm going to give some informations. I will just give random informations as follow, and you click on save, and then you accept the term of services and the policies of the website, and then you will be able to access to the website. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.